Best debit consideration companies for companies of 2024. Recommendation for debt above $20,000. Fast and easy online registration within 24/7. Customer assistance. Free, no obligation application. Low monthly payment with no upfront fees. A plus rating from triple B. More than 18 billion in debt resolution. Acceleration debt since 2002. Into national debt relief, the best for people with 15,000 in debt or more. Fast and easy application process, no upfront fees. Free consultation, 100% consideration, become debt free in 24 to 48 months. AFCC accredited and A plus rating by triple B, reducing debt since 2009, achieved debt relief. Recommendation for consumer with $15,000 in debt. Offer free debt assessment to develop personalized plan. No upfront fees, flexible 2, 3, 4, or 5 years term. Simple and fast online application. Okay. America, designed for customers with $15,000 in debt. $15,000. Big credit card debt free in 24 to 48 months. Reduce monthly payment by 50% or more. Free customized debt solution plan. Service American since 2009. Freedom debt relief. Okay, number one. Freedom of the debt above $20,000. Fast and easy online registration within 24/7 customer assistance. Free, no obligation evaluation, low monthly payment with no upfront fees. A plus rating from the triple B, more than 80 billion in debt. Result consideration debt in 2002. Companies list above listed by triple B and scanning is low rating. Debt free, freedom debt relief, A plus and triple B rating, a 4.6 average test pilot score. National debt relief, A plus triple B rating of 4.7 average test pilot score. Achieved A plus triple B rating and 4.8 average test pilot score. AmeriCorps, A plus rating and 4.8 average test pilot score. Accredited A plus rating and 4.9 average test pilot score. Freedom debt relief LLC headquartered in San Francisco, San Antonio, California, specialized in debt negotiation and resolution service, established in 2002. This offer counseling and tailoring strategies aid consumers in reducing their debt burden alongside negotiation with credit on their behalf. As the largest debt negotiation in the United States, Freedom Debt Relief has successfully settled over 80 billion in debt since its inception operation as a wholly owned subsidiary of Freedom Financial Network. The company boasted workforces of approximately 600 employees nationwide since 2002. Freedom Debt Relief (FDR) has been at the forefront of providing debt negotiation and reducing service. As the largest player in the industry within the United States, FDR has facilitated and settled of over 50 billion in debt on behalf of its clients. FDR's approach starts with a complementary evaluation and consultation conducted by a certified debt consultant. During the session, consumers receive guidelines tailored and to their specified financial circumstances and objective. While the company primarily focus on debt settlement through negotiation, it also offers on debt consolidation loan. FDR is transaction about merit and drawbacks. Uh, this strategy outlines the support insight to consumer during leverage this option efficiently. Although processing good credit is not a prerequisite to become an FDR consumer. Individual with now favorable debt to income ratio, their stable income streams may find the program better suited for their needs, while FDR does not function as a lender, is assistance eligible consumers in initiated this process, like other reputable debt negotiation firms. FDR operate a non-free upfront basic charging free fees only on consumer witness taking results, initial debt relief. Okay.